Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a Pokemon theme. So I'm going to show you how to make that cute little ball where you can put all the goodies inside, and also how to make a custom gift bag. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So for the gift bag, what I did is basically I just bought a red gift bag, and then I glued half of it with white cardstock, and then I had you can use tape or black cardstock for the middle part, and then I had the logo also in the middle, and that was it. You get yourself super easy, quick gift bags that are actually with your theme. And then for the balls, I was so excited about these. Basically these, I bought it at the dollar store, and my son's birthday is in January, so it was easy for me. I already knew the theme that I was going for, and these, I knew where to find them, and I found them at the dollar store around Christmas time, around the holidays, because these are like huge ornaments, as you can see. And what I like is that they are detachable. So what I did is that I detached all of them, and with one I actually sprayed paint in red. Once you do that, you just put them together, and then I had some tape, and it's actually hockey stick tape, I think you can call it like that, and I just placed it all the way around, and then I had that logo of the ball that I placed in the middle that I cut with my Cricut, and there you go. It was like super cute. And then on the inside we personalized it, so my little one wanted to give like little cards for his friends and like stickers and like stuff like that. And then what's nice is that like on one side you can see the gifts, and on the other side it's like the red of the Pokemon. So, and I'm telling you, when they opened their gifts, it was such like a wow time. They all went crazy, they all loved it, so it was really, really cute to see, and they all enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.